If you've ever seen those flashy ads for the Pups Furry Dog Brush and thought it could be the perfect solution for your dog's grooming needs, you're definitely not alone, because this brush has been circulating online with some very bold promises. The brand claims it can remove tangles without causing any pain, reduce the number of baths your dog needs, and even turn grooming into an enjoyable, bonding experience between you and your pet. But the big question is, does it actually live up to those claims, or is it just another product riding the wave of online hype? On the surface, the brush looks sleek and professional, but once you start digging into the details, a lot of red flags appear. The product photos floating around on their website and ads don't seem very unique and might not even be authentic, which raises questions about whether the brush really looks or works like it's shown. The marketing language is full of strong promises, but there's no real proof, no scientific testing, and no verified evidence to show that the brush actually delivers the results it claims, leaving potential buyers with nothing but trust in a sales pitch. Another issue is the customer support. The only way to reach them is through email, and there's no phone number or live chat, which can be frustrating if something goes wrong with your order or you need help. They also advertise a so-called lifetime guarantee, but the fine print is vague, with no clear explanation of how it works or how a customer can claim it, making it feel more like a marketing trick than a genuine promise. And while they loudly boast about having over 50,000 satisfied customers, when you actually look around for reviews outside of their own website, there's almost nothing. No strong presence on trusted platforms, no verified testimonials, and no independent feedback that proves real people are experiencing the results being advertised. Taken together, all of these things make the Pups Furry Dog Brush tough to fully trust, because while it might work fine as a basic grooming tool, the lack of transparency, questionable claims, and limited support make it risky for anyone considering a purchase. It's not completely fair to call it a scam, since some customers may genuinely find it useful, but it's equally hard to call it a safe, reliable buy given all the unanswered questions. That's why in this video we break down every detail so you can make your own informed decision.